Hello friends, welcome back to the Gadget Crunchie. Today I will tell you how to design the crucial landing page on your website WordPress. In this video you can see I'm designing the hero section of the landing page of WordPress website. Simple, you can see what I use here. So follow these all the steps and drag and drop your elements which I use here. You can see here I use the separator and the other row in the section I will choose another. So now the setting of the spacer, here you can see I divided height a little bit more and now a little bit thinner. So it's not showing as a bold, it's light show as a line. And in this section here you can add the heading. Now click on it and here type about yourself, what are you doing. So here I'm writing I am a web designer. Okay, and you can see in the first left side of the small icons, so you simple add these type of the icons. And here another section where I first use the heading of my name Zubair Abid, and after that I use in the left side spacer and the right side I am web designer. Now you can see I'm using the changing text in every setting, in every second. Now you can see here web designer. Now I'm add the another sentence after the I am. Okay, so you can see when I put here the another sentence, so you can see it's changing. In every seconds. So it is very simple. No, you need to hire any designer. Okay, you can see here I am web designer and after that I am graphic designer. Now you can see I'm select the size of the font and it's frequently changing. I am web designer to I am graphic designer and I am freelancer. So these types of whatever you give the service, so you can put here and scroll the all these sentences change in every seconds. Friends, if you are new on my YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, so please like the video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon. Now come to our today's topic of the content video. Simple, you concentrate on the video, watch what I change in this video and apply on my hero section. Now you can see I paste here another sentence in this subheading as a paragraph. Okay, here you describe your about self, what are you doing and what you design to give the service on the client side. Okay friends, so on this my channel you get all the type of the videos related technology and the YouTube channel setting and how to run your YouTube channel to getting thousands of the subscribers, 4K, thousand of the watch time hours. And also I'm uploading the social media content like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever you want. So you can ask to me in the comment section. I will create the video for you and you can easily friend. You can see here I get the button and setting on where you want to display left side, middle or the right side. Okay, and you can put here the attached link whatever where you work as a freelance like Fiverr or Upwork site. Okay friends, if you haven't visited my website, so please visit the website Gadget Crunchie, which is similar the name of the YouTube channel Gadget Crunchie. So it's same name my YouTube channel and the website is Gadget Crunchie. On this website I'm uploading the articles for you related technology and financial growing business. So if you have any problem or any issue, you can ask to me in the comment section or you visit my article blogs where I resolve all these type of the issues which you have any issue in your work. Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed today's my video. So in the end, if you have any issue, you can ask to me in the comment section. Okay friends, take care. Ta -ta 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 -ta.